What's going on, guys? My name is Cyrus. In today's video, we're going to have a look at the Arctic Blizzard Fidget Bloom by Meraki Sphere. It's one of our new colors in a series of 12 new colors for the winter season. Probably one of my most favorite colorways out there. You've got a really beautiful blue, light blue glass bead. Actually, it's kind of more porcelain. It's a porcelain bead. And then you have glass crackled white beads, which kind of give off the kind of Arctic iceberg kind of look. And together with the blue and the white, it just makes it look very elegant. It makes it feel very calming, very soothing. Paired with the gold wire, it just really stands out. So of course, with every Meraki sphere, you can transform it into dozens of cool shapes. So you can go from the drum to the flower, galaxy, sphere. That wasn't supposed to happen. Yeah, got the sphere. And of course, with every Meraki sphere, you can use it as a bracelet, use it as a hairpiece, desk ornament. It makes a really great gift or a really neat conversation starter if it's just propped up on your desk like that. This is Arctic Blizzard. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments below. To purchase one, you can check it out on my website at www.merakisphere.com, as well as they are available on Etsy. Just search Meraki Sphere and you will find hundreds and hundreds of colorways to browse. So with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.